Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lephamthevu and I'm from Vietnam. And few days ago, I made a video of how to do a kick up to handstand by the easiest way. And some of foreigners, they recommend me to do a English version for them to learn how to do a standard kick up to handstand. So that is the reason why I'm gonna do an English version. Yeah. So now we're gonna practice. I will instruct you how to do a kick up to handstand effectively. To kick up to handstand, according to me, in the Vietnamese clip before, we have two clips. The first one is a straddle kick to handstand. I think that is the easiest way and the most effective way to reach into the handstand easily. So I'm gonna do this as the example for you. So split my leg like this and close it. Yeah, I will show you this one. And the second one is the kick up to handstand, a very basic one, very classic. So I will try to instruct you the classic one first. So the classic one is, the step is something like this. Push your hand down on the ground and try to make it at a shoulder width apart, like this. And your hand is not going further like this, but it's go straight ahead. Yeah. Your index finger need to push it ahead. Yeah, need to point ahead. Yeah, and here I will put it here, right? And then I'm gonna squeeze my chest inside. Yeah, to make sure that I'm gonna rock my back. I'm gonna rock my back up like this. Yeah. So no more like this, right? We're gonna open our chest like this, but then we're gonna squeeze it. Push it inside. Yeah, to squeeze the back, to rock the back. Yeah, like this. Yeah, squeeze the back and open your shoulder, push your shoulder. And then we're gonna kick it. Yeah, whenever you wanna go up in the air, you kick up your leg in the air. You need to make it straight from the pointing toes to the knee. Yeah. I think some of the beginner calisthenics guy, they don't really care about this, don't really care about the pointing tools, same as the knee. Yeah, the tight knee. Yeah, so we're gonna tight our knee, right? Then the kicking foot, we're gonna kick like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah, just straight like this. And now we're gonna kick it, but not too far, but not too weak. Yeah. Then point it. Remember, whenever you kick it onto the top, right? Your left knee, your left leg is gonna point like this. Yeah, to make sure that you're gonna find the balance point on the air. Yeah. Yeah. Point, find the balance point. Point, your two, find the balance point. Then when you set to find the balance point, try to push, try to keep your right leg in with together with your left. Yeah. So we try it again and again until you find the balance, the sensation of balance, right? Find the balance point. Yeah. Find the balance point, then go together. Find the balance point, go together, then success. Yeah. Remember, you don't need to wait for too long. You don't need to hold this for too long now. The mistake here is you wait here for too long, then you will come down again. Yeah, make sure that whenever you kick and find the balance, close it together. Yeah, it's really fast. Like, you know, 0.5 seconds. you need to find the sensation of balance immediately whenever you kick up with your left. The time of your left leg with your right. It needs to be really fast. Find the sensation, then go together. Not to you cannot find the sensation of balance. Take it too long. Yeah. That's why I ask you to do exercise a lot of time to find the balance, right? Yeah, to find the balance. Then find the balance to go together. Then we can hold it. Find the balance to go together. Then we hold it. Okay. That is the first one, and the second one is the easiest and the most effective because it's gonna make you find the balance easier because you will kick up both of your legs at the same time, not a single by single, but like this at the same time. Both legs straight and close at the same time. Yeah, I bet with you it is the easier one. Yeah, it's more effective to find the balance. Yeah, so to practice this, yeah, the first one, just keep the leg like this, and then you're gonna push it. Yeah, push it like this, and the key is still you need to push your shoulder up, open it, and try to squeeze your chest in and rock your back out, right? Remember that. Don't try to flex your chest like this. Yeah, you need to squeeze it inside to rock the back to make sure that you can hold it. Yeah. So now we go with the handstand. Right. Yeah, like this, and then like this, right? Point your two. Yeah, point your two on the ground. On the ground. Yeah. At the end of the point your two, you will kick it up. And remember, whenever you kick it up, your leg goes out of the round. You need to make it straight. You need to tighten it. Yeah. Goes out. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah. The first, you don't need to go too high. You just need to go like really low, like this. Really low to find the sensations of your shoulder when you try to hold both legs at the same time, right? Yeah, like this. Yeah, too low. Yeah, like this. You need to repeat it for 8 reps. Yeah, 8 reps. And how many sets? It depends on you. Whenever you find it easy, so you can move to the next step. You can go higher. You can kick higher, time by time. Then finally you reach up into the top, like this. Yeah, try to repeat it. This is the very beginning motion. Yeah, then when you get accustomed with, go higher. Yeah, go higher. Yeah, then you will go onto the top. Whenever you go onto the top and your body on a straight line, right? On a straight line. In that time, you can find a sensation. You can balance yourself with your palm and your hand. Yeah, and then you can close the leg together, like this. Yeah, that is onto the point. Yeah, onto the point when you can hold it. Now try, kick it up, hold it. Yeah, that is the top. Yeah, like this, very low to find the sensation. Higher, then onto the top. Yeah, and remember this. Whenever you come down, that is also, you know the repetition when you come down. It's also somehow of the supporting exercise for you to find the strength of your shoulder to find the sensation point. It's really good. Remember this. When you come down, you need to go slow. When you come down, you need to go slow. You try to squeeze it. You try to hold it as low as you can. When it goes down, to make sure that your shoulder can feel the pressure of the whole body. Yeah. So when you can find sensation, then you can close the leg really easy, like this. Yeah, onto the top. For the sensation, close your leg, then go down. Yeah. So I have been finished on two ways to kick up into the handstand. Very easy, detail, and maybe the most effective one. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and give me a like if it's somehow helpful you just a little bit. I think so. It depends on the way you practice and how you give the as much dedication as you can. So yeah, I hope that you will get it soon. If you cannot, please try to message me or leave the comment below to make sure that I know your issue and I can correct it for you. Yeah, maybe. And like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. The next time I will instruct you more and more in these videos. Yeah. Goodbye.